Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. Today, we have some really exciting news to talk about. And if you enjoy making videos on your phone or just love seeing cool new phone tech, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. So, let's jump straight into it. There's a brand new leak about the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series, and it's all about video performance. According to a fresh report from Android Headlines, Google is working on a huge upgrade for the Pixel 10's video stabilization. And, get this, people are already comparing it to the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, which is a popular handheld gimbal used by video creators. But here's the best part. You won't need any extra hardware or gimbal. The phone itself will do it all. Yes, you heard that right. This means your videos could look super smooth, like they were shot with professional equipment, but it would all happen inside the phone. No need to carry around extra gear, no need for attachments. Just point, shoot, and enjoy steady, high-quality video. Now, if you've been following Pixel phones over the years, you'll know they're famous for their amazing photo quality. Google's computational photography, basically the smart software that works behind the scenes, has made Pixel devices some of the best camera phones out there. But if we're being honest, there's one area where Pixels have usually fallen a bit behind: video recording. When it comes to video, Apple's iPhones have held the top spot for quite a while. iPhones are known for their smooth stabilization, sharp detail, and excellent dynamic range when shooting videos. But with this new leak, it looks like Google is finally stepping up its game, and might even beat Apple in some areas. So, what exactly do we know so far? According to the report, this new image stabilization technology will be available on the entire Pixel 10 lineup. That means whether you get the regular Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the bigger Pixel 10 Pro XL, or even the upcoming foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold, you'll get the same advanced video stabilization feature. No need to pay extra for a higher model to access this feature. It's expected to be standard across all versions. To give you an idea of how impressive this could be, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is a smartphone gimbal that helps keep your phone steady while you record videos. It removes shakes and makes your footage look smooth and professional. If the Pixel 10 can pull off that same level of steadiness just with its built-in hardware and software, it would be a huge deal. And let's not forget, Google already offers something called Video Boost on its current Pixel phones, which improves video quality by enhancing colors, sharpness, and brightness. If you combine that with this new stabilization system, the Pixel 10 could easily become Google's best video phone ever. Now, this isn't the only leak we've seen about the Pixel 10 series. A few hours ago, images of a Pixel 10 prototype were leaked online, showing off some of its design changes. We've also heard about its default sounds and a leaked storyboard from a future ad campaign. If all these rumors turn out to be true, the Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be something really special. There's even talk that Google might officially announce the Pixel 10 series on August 13th this year. That's earlier than usual since Google typically launches new Pixel phones in October. If this happens, it means the Pixel 10 could hit store shelves before Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Apple's iPhone 16, giving Google a nice head start in the smartphone race this year. Of course, competition is going to be tough. The Pixel 10 will have to go up against the Galaxy S25 and iPhone 16, and possibly even the iPhone 17 not long after. So, Google needs to deliver something truly impressive to stand out. And if this gimbal-like stabilization turns out to be real, it might give Google the advantage it's been missing in video recording. Let's be honest, with video content being such a big part of our lives these days, whether it's for vlogging, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or just capturing everyday memories, having a phone with incredible video features is more important than ever. Personally, I'm really excited about this news. It feels like Google isn't just catching up to the competition anymore. They're starting to lead, especially when it comes to camera technology. Now, of course, this is still a leak for now, so we'll have to wait for the official announcement to confirm everything. But if it turns out to be true, this could be a huge step forward for smartphone videography, and the Pixel 10 might become the go-to phone for both content creators and casual users who just want the best possible video on their phones. So, what do you think? Could the Pixel 10 finally take the crown for the best video phone of 2025? Do you think this new stabilization feature can match or even beat what the iPhone offers? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think about all this. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech news and leaks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, everyone.